I'm sorry, but this car is an absolute weapon. It's epic. This is the C63 S Edition 1 Motorsport. Now this is a very special car with 14,000 miles on, full service history, 2017 registration. I mean, this is a very, very mean looking car. It drives incredible, 510 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. It just doesn't get any better. If I'm going to make a statement, this is probably one of the best C63s you can ever buy. Just the sheer look of it, the way it handles, the way it drives, the way it sounds, the colour combination, everything. Now remember, the C63 Edition ones come with the grey striping. The S gives you the yellow striping down the sides, right over the top of it, and then it's got carbon everywhere. But for me, it's just the colour. Let's talk about the colour. Selenite Magno Grey, that's the only colour you can get it in. But remember, with them being such a limited amount available, it's such a rare car. So if you've been wanting one and you want to own a piece of this, today with the live pricing, this car is 70990. And you know what? You're not going to be able to get another one because there isn't any available. There's such a rare thing. This one's been so well looked after inside and out, and I'm going to try and touch on as much as possible because it has got that much. It's fully loaded, but it's just the way it looks for me. The sound that this, remember the V8 twin turbo engine that this car has? It's one of the best you can get. It's that raw power and that raw sound. But what do you get? So everything's a bit more flared and a bit more aggressive. Everything's super refined and fine-tuned. Starting with the headlights, you've got the full intelligent lighting system. That's the adaptive lighting with the crystallized indicators, the LED fusion blue daytime running lights, front rear parking sensors with a park assist. You've then got this humongous front end ready just to eat whatever comes in its way with the carbon fibre insert, and that's genuine carbon fibre, followed by the high gloss black front lip spoiler, which is low, but like anything, if you're going to buy a car like this, just be careful with it. All the surroundings done in high gloss black. You've then got that Panamericana front grille, which again is super aggressive, because this car is not for the faint-hearted, and I mean it. If you're not into power, you're not into sound, you don't want to upset your neighbours, don't buy this car, because this will do exactly all that. It'll just make everyone very angry, because it's a very angry type of car. But you know what? You will love every single second of driving this car. Yellow stripe starts there, goes all the way across, even the wing mirrors. Now look at the arches. Just go to the back for me, Tom, because it's got such a flared arch. Remember the older version C63s, the Black Series, which everyone thinks is great, which I believe is a cracking car. This is quicker, bear in mind. Now they've got such a big flare on the front and rear arches. The front one is so enhanced. It comes all the way over, and for that reason, you've got 19-inch alloys on the front and you've got 20-inch alloys on the back. Again, with that continuous yellow theme around the alloy wheels, the ring of it. The design pattern on the alloys are brilliant. And then you've got the ceramic braking, the brake disc just behind, with the gold calipers there. The V8 badging, bi-turbo, the high gloss black window surrounds, sun protection glass, what you call blacked out windows, fully tilted and sliding panoramic roof. Again, the decals down the side, so straight away you know that this is an Edition 1, not just a standard C63. Bear in mind the C63 standard is still a cracking car. You've got comfort access, so as you walk up to this car, it'll unlock, and as you walk away, you press that and it'll lock for you. But look at this, and this is what the Edition 1, look at them seats, absolutely. Let me just get in and show you. This is a very nice, snug fit. Everything just, you're in place and you're staying exactly in that place. If you take it on a track, perfect. If you're driving around, on everyday drive, this car drives so comfortable. It doesn't break your back. It's brilliant. But the cross stitching and the perforated seat with the yellow stitching is everywhere, on the top dash, on the door cards, and then you've got all this lovely matte finish to the carbon fibre. The Alcantara steering wheel, the largest screen media system with navigation, camera system, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth. But you're not buying it because of that. You're buying it because what this car delivers. And when you look from here, come in here, Tom, have a look at that bonnet. You might not be able to see the stripe, but you can see the two humps. And 70990 with 14,000 miles on, Burmeister sound system, electric seats, memory seats and heated seats, and then you have the extended leather with the yellow stitching and the Alcantara sections in that door card. Again, yellow AMG entry kick plates with a beautiful sort of black shadow chrome kick plate there. The condition of the paintwork, because it's done 14,000 miles, is absolutely immaculate. This is a brilliant car. In the back seat, you pull it with this. Electronically, the car moves forward. You've got the lovely AMG mats in the back, and then again, same frame with the seats in the back. As you come round here, you've got the full Edition 1 aerodynamic kit on it, which is that rear diffuser, the air breathers on the side, that rear spoiler, all the badging, quad tailpipes, and then again, the tailpipes is surrounded by that carbon fibre, LED rear lighting system, boot space, which is very important. It's all good and well having a high performance car, but you can't put your golf gear in there, you can't put the odd pushchair in there or your weekly shopping, and it's no good. And this does all that. And the seats go down by pulling them handles just there. You have got gesture tailgate, so you can kick it, it will open up, but because the car's running, it won't work. But you have to agree, this is, how nice is it? And I do mean it, how nice is it? It's one of them cars, you'll look at it, yeah, okay, it's not for everyone. Them lovely go faster stripes, you might think, you know what, I don't want them, it looks silly. You might think that. But somebody who understands the cars knows it's a special car, with the special stripes on to identify that it's not just a normal C63. This is it. Everything from the brakes, to the colour, to the spec, to the seats, to the steering wheel, to the sound system. There isn't one thing, I wouldn't say anything bad about it anyway because I'm trying to sell the car, but genuinely, there isn't one thing I could say bad about this car, because if I didn't have 5 kids and I wanted a high performance car, and I had this sort of budget to spend on a car, this would be it, because what else could better this? I love my M4s and my M3s, but the natural growl of this engine, the natural sound that this engine produces, I would drive this car without the stereo on. That's the honest answer. I wouldn't put the music on because the sound is that good, the seats are that good. I wouldn't get in it and think, oh God, I can't get comfy, because as soon as you get in it, you are comfy, because it nips your kidneys, it's tight. You've got more support here if you need it as well. You've got the lovely leather wrapped armrest, again with yellow stitching, which splits in two with USB in there. You've got your twin cup holders down there with more 12-volt sockets, cruise control, paddle shift, and the gear change. I've never mentioned the gear change. The gear shift on one of these is, again, it's seamless, it's imminent, there's no delay. It's just boom, gone. And I'm not saying you should race about and be an absolute sort of yob in it, but you could really enjoy it on a nice clear road. Roads are clear, it's twists and turns. You can really push it to its limits within the speed limit. 70990, 14,000 miles. You're not going to find another one like it. It's one of them cars. Once it's gone, I do mean it, it is gone. Please. I don't think I've ever had one. So if this goes, will I get another one just like it? Absolutely not. That is the truth. But just come in. My name's Joe. My name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. But this is a fabulous car and not one to be missed. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.